So, Jon Snow, I understand that Daenerys has your huevos.
But do you have Jamie's? Oh.
Well, at
You
least,
have.
yeah. I don't know.
Or was it your cousin after Jamie?
Oh, that's right. The little kid.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, and then I had that Greyjoy guy, Euron.
A lot of.
Yeah, exactly. I've had a lot of experience in Westeros. Okay, enough of that. Enough of that. You know, God save the Queen. Anyway, I thought it would be nice to do a little Game of Thrones Easter mashup, and that's why I picked Game of Thrones, because it's coming around the same time as Easter. Got some glue gun strings there. And I thought it would be cool to make some very sequiny kind of dragon eggs that you can use this Easter. That would be cool. You can have like special prizes. Make 3 of them and just have 3 of them in your Easter egg hunt. So
Put money in it.
put money. Yeah, put money in it. So let's get started. So what you're gonna need is some glittery stuff, some of this stuff. And this is
Ooh.
like, what is it? It's
Reversible
like
sequin.
It's reversible sequins. And so you do this. You're a grown adult and you do this for hours.
After the first hour of
You
going
just do
back
this.
and forth, then you start the project.
Exactly. So you get these reversible, what is it? Not reversible. Yeah,
Reversible sequins.
sequence things, and I'm hoping I can use this one. So for yours, you're just gonna have to take apart. So I would cut off, so for this, we're using a pencil pouch from the dollar store or a sequined bin thing from the dollar store as well, because if not, this is very expensive per the yard. So I'm really cheap, and you all know me, so you're gonna cut off this plastic part.
Theon Greyjoy takeout container.
There you go. There you go. So just cut around all the sequiny stuff. So I will do this also. And we're here with a live studio audience, people. Hey, in the Bonjour America studios in La Sabuesera de Calle 8. Hey, I was telling Jon Snow that he should be Juan Nieves.
Juan Nieves and Cersei with 3
And Cersei.
eyes.
I bet you there's human baby girls being born right now that are being like I already know a Daenerys. And it's so funny because I was like, damn, Daenerys is so cute. It's Daenerys. Daenerys. That is such a Cuban name. So Cersei is not far behind.
Because it's not Cersei, it would be
Cersei.
Cersei.
Cersei?
With like 2 eyes and extra
Oh my
eyes.
gosh, there's like sequins going everywhere. Is this gonna be like heinous because it's like glitter? Is it? Okay, let's get that cardboard thing out of here.
There we
There you
go.
go. I'm glad I gave you that one. Let's see who can make this faster. We only have one glue gun.
Challenge for the throne.
A challenge for the throne. That's right. I have the glue gun right here. Oh crap! Now I'm nervous. No, why did I say that? No, no, you can't do that. I can do it too. I can do it too. No, no, you gotta cut it out. You gotta cut it out. No. All right. Calm down, people. We're with a hot glue gun. It's not smart. Children, do not play with glue guns. Look at you. You're not gonna do it right.
I will glue it on first and then I will trim.
Oh, well, are you gonna seal it? You can do it 2 ways. You can.
No, I'm gonna leave it open. So that you can,
So you can put your little snackies and stuff in there.
it's a long walk all around the place.
Might as well have snacks.
Snacks are fine.
Where on ah. Okay, so just cut it up and
Get
try
distracted, get distracted so I can. Oh my god, the amount of sequins.
I know, right? No!
The throat is mine!
No! Give that to me. Give it to me. ¿Qué es eso? ¿Qué es eso? ¿Qué es eso?
Eso es queso.
Ow!
Gorgeous. If you don't turn it around, look, it's a stand. There you go. The zipper serves as a stand.
Look like a bootleg disco ball.
Does look like a bootleg disco ball. Well, the correct way to do it, so I'm gonna do the correct way.
Okay.
He won. That's fine, he won. So what I'm gonna do, because he got a little pointy top, the top, Bonjour America's gonna hate me. How do you say goodbye in French? Au revoir. Au revoir, Indiana Jones after this. Look at this crap all over the place. You sure you want to have me come here again? So yes, this is the first time we're using the studio, and if you guys haven't recognized Cosplay Kev, this is Cosplay Kev. He was Captain Jack Sparrow, and he helped me make, we had drinks, and we had a fairy light, and he helped me make Rice Krispie treats.
Those wonderful Rice Krispies.
Yes,
treats.
that didn't quite come out right, but that's okay. But anyway,
That's the fun in it.
when you cut it, when you cut little divots, I'm not gonna finish this, but you can have it like half and half. Look, see, look how pretty that looks, half and half. Looks half, so it can be like a half Daenerys egg or whatever. See, and then you just, yeah, look at that, how cute.
That's hours of fun.
Hours of fun, guys. So try this out at home. Make a very, very special Easter egg this Easter, and you know, hide something really special in there. Maybe, you know, some spoilers for Game of Thrones as to who wins the throne. And also celebrate Easter with your family this year and have a joyous holiday, and enjoy all the other Easter. I have another Easter series of Easter egg decorating, but of course it's aliens themed because there's eggs and aliens. There you go. So yeah, join me as Ripley and Vasquez as we decorate eggs for Easter. So check those out as well in my spring playlist. Thank you again to Cosplay Kev. Check him out, guys. He's an amazing cosplayer, and of course me and Danny Jones. Like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, like, share, and subscribe. Do all those things.
Do all of them.
Do all of them. Do all of them, and follow me. And again, use Plaid products because they're one of my sponsors. So thank you again. Thank you to Bonjour America. And thanks to my wonderful audience here.
Cue the music. Cue the music.
Cue the music. Happy Easter, guys.